Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see all the comments you have ever placed over on YouTube. So if you want to basically see your YouTube comment history, then here's how you can do it, and it's actually quite easy. So let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is go to youtube.com, and you want to head over to your profile channel right here. Then at the left side of your screen you will see this little bar right here, and you want to make sure to click on history right here. Then you will see your watch history right here, but that's of course not what we're looking for. So what you then want to go and do is you want to go to the right part of your screen right here, and here you will see manage all history, and you want to make sure to click on comments. Once you have done that, you will be brought to this screen, and here you will literally see your YouTube comment history. We can right now see that I've never left a comment on my YouTube channel, but if you have left any comments at all, then they will show up right here, and that's literally how you can see your YouTube comment history. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.